Hi guys, this will be my new style of lift tours. I hope you enjoy it. For all of those who don't know me, I'm just a 10-year-old kid, so my voice might sound a bit weird. So this is how the new lift tour maps will look like. The gray lines will be the walls, while the white rectangles are the lifts. The sides of the rectangles vary by the size of the lift bank. The glow color is according to the brand of the lift. Check out the description to find out the glow colors. The hollow white rectangles will be the open space that you could see up or down on. And the long white rectangles with a glow color will be the escalators. Today we will be having a look at Samyan Midtown. And no, it is not a typo. Mid actually means friends in Thai. So here is the map of the place. It's not that accurate, but I've tried my best. Alright, let's start. Firstly, we will be having a look at a Japanese-style Mitsubishi lift at Samyan MRT station. You could see where the lift is located at the red where I'm at mark. Whoa, 4 persons, 320 kilograms. This is one of the smallest lifts I have ever found here. I think the model of that lift is Mitsubishi City, which could be found in Japan. Let's go on to the next lift. So the next thing is not a lift, it is an escalator that connects the Midtown tunnel to the mall. Here are some photos of the beautiful tunnel. Amazing! Now on to the escalator. Now that was a fun ride. According to Insomnia elevators, these are actually Shanghai Mitsubishi, which are really hard to find. The next lifts are some more Mitsubishi lifts with a really awesome LCD display. These are located at the South Lift Lobby. They are Mitsubishi Next East MRL lifts. The reason I started on floor 4D was because I rode the mid-24 lifts up, which I will showcase later, and it left without me, and the call buttons did not work or anything, so I had to explore the floor until I found these lifts. Mitsubishi puts so much effort in these displays, and they look really elegant. Wait for us, didn't it?
Fourth floor ชั้น4ค่ะ Third floor ชั้น3ค่ะ Lift กำลังลงค่ะ
Along the way, I have also found the service lift. It is located here on the map. Here's a glance of the lovely LCD display. This service lift will be shown later on in the tour. We will now be going all the way across the mall to find some shuttle lifts that go to the hotel. Sadly, these are locked.
Going up กำลังขึ้นค่ะ Sorry, the floor selected is a restricted floor ขออภัยชั้นที่ท่านเลือกไม่ได้อยู่ในพื้นที่ให้บริการค่ะ Please press the button for the desired floor
It's
กรุณากดปุ่ม
I'd say that was pretty unnecessary for an overlockout. The next thing we will be riding is the north side lifts, which are identical to the south lifts, except that this side only has 2 lifts. And another difference about these lifts is that the arrow actually spins on the external indicator. Ooh, and I really do love that fancy indicator animation. Oh shoot, it's full. The other one's coming. Close the door quickly before it goes and it left. Awesome. Here it is now, let's go on it.
First floor Sorry to keep you waiting ขอโทษค่ะที่ทำให้ต้องรอ
I guess I've just witnessed that rare Mitsubishi sorry to keep you waiting voice. This one has a sorry to keep you waiting message.
ชั้น G ค่ะ Basement 1 floor ชั้นใต้ดิน1ค่ะ Basement 2ชั้นใต้ดิน2ค่ะ
It's a very basic cab. They could do a bit more decoration on this. Don't really like plain cabs when it comes to fancy posh malls like Samyan Midtown.
ชั้น1ค่ะ
It should be on the right COP.
Second floor ชั้น2ค่ะ Sorry to keep you waiting ขอโทษค่ะที่ทำให้ต้องรอ
Well, now there's the message again. There we go, another sorry to keep you waiting message.
Fifth floor ชั้น5ค่ะ
Yeah. Midtown Hall. Ground. Call cancel demonstration. Works perfectly. I like the way they chose the white buttons too. 4B. Oh, this one has not doesn't have a nameplate. Let's have a quick peek around the service lifts at this side. Again, the full video of this lift will be shown later on in the tour. In that room, there's also another lift opposite to that one, but I did not film that. Alright, next lift. The next one is located at the 24-hour zone of the mall called Mid-24. There's only one lift here. And yes, this was the one that I was talking about earlier, which trapped me on floor 4D until I found the south lifts. The situation was pretty awkward.
เป็นในแบบป่ะ
ญี่ปุ่นก่อนที่ตรงนี้เจอกัน เต้ยกับมึงนี่กูบอกดูไพรส์ถึงมาก
ดูรองเท้าดีด็อกเตอร์เฮ้ยทิมเบอร์แลนด์เพิ่งไปซื้อในเซ็นทรัล
แล้วรู้สึกว่าเอ้ยมันจะเอาเลยตรงไหนสิราคามันก็กูฉี่อยู่เลย
ไทยเฉยๆครับ
มันไม่รู้สึกถึง
ผม
ความ
สนใจ
ถูก
ครับ
ลงหรืออะไรอ่ะมันไม่เหมือนอเมริกามึงหรอก
Fourth floor ชั้น4ค่ะ
Let's see. This is a single lift, which I don't know why they did that. At least they got the date right and the time right, which is convenient.
4D floor
4D.
ชั้น 4D ค่ะ
It's a car park. This was the awkward part that the lift left me, and I was stuck on that floor until I found some more lifts. After doing some shopping in the mall, I decided to come back and retake this lift. And CD ด้วยครับ
Fourth floor ชั้น4ค่ะ
Like the other lifts in this complex, this lift also has the Mitsubishi AANG voice.
4D floor ชั้น 4D ค่ะ
This time I'm not gonna get out.
Fourth floor ชั้น4ค่ะ Second floor ชั้น2ค่ะ
So fun. That sounds quite.
Basement 2 floor ชั้นใต้ดิน2ค่ะ
Sounds unpleasant. It's a really basic cab. I don't really like it. 1. Let's look around the mall for a bit. Not as busy as the grand opening day today. After the grand opening, the people don't come here anymore. I don't really know why. Most of the shops aren't finished yet, and oh my god, yes, there's Muji. Yes, I can buy some stationery. Interesting. Oh, wait, what's my line again? The audio quality is terrible. I should purchase those kind of microphone thingies they use in like videos and stuff. Next are the lifts at Samyan Midtown office tower. But they did not let me film the lift there. So guess what? It's lift animation time! Alright, enough of that thing. Let's watch the animation I made. Mitsubishi Nextway high-speed traction lifts with full configuration DOAS at Samyan Midtown office tower. This animation is inspired by the Mitsubishi DOAS lifts at Samyan Midtown office tower that I had a ride on, but didn't film. The reason that they did not let me film was because filming was restricted there and they saw that I was a photographer, so they kindly took me up but told me not to film. It is not a big deal though. After all the experience and carefully looking at the lifts there, I decided to make an animation about it to show the legendary lifts. Please note that this is a lift animation. Everything in here is real, but please don't be looking to film in a photography restricted area without permission. Enjoy! First, we will be having a look at the turnstiles. Here is the diagram of the flap gates. You can see that I have labeled it clearly. Now on goes my card on the card reader, and it shows me what lift to go on. Now on to the lifts. From now on, it would be better if I wouldn't talk. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Yippee-yay, I think I did a good job and that was accurate enough. Anyways, the chimes on these lifts aren't like the one you saw in the animation, but are like this. Also, these lifts have a very special voice exclusive to DOAS, and it is the "Please wait for more passengers" voice. Mitsubishi are sure to be very efficient with their newer lifts. Sadly, I was not able to record that voice. Alright now, this is the time when we go back to the two service lifts that we saw earlier. I have filmed these on a different day where I have made up my mind to go and have a look at these. Firstly, the north service lift. When I came back here, I saw that there was only one lift. The other side was just a door which leads to what I think is a service room.
floor ชั้น5ค่ะ Room down ที่กำลังลงค่ะ
The cab is all covered with wood.
Basement 2 floor ชั้นใต้ดิน2ค่ะ Room
Alright, this is really risky. The cab looks really dark and I don't want to be in here. It's not really comfortable. These fixtures are covered in a box and it's locked. It could be locked.
4 ค่ะ
There's a power supply there. Huh. Odd. There. Lovely. Let's now rush to the south side lift before security look at me from the cameras and think that, what the hell is this little boy doing in one of our service lifts? Oof, what am I even scared of, huh? If they come up to me, I would say that lift filming is not a crime at all. Last time I was here, the light was off, but now this one's on, so that's better. There are literally wires everywhere. This lift is even more of a mess than the other one.
floor ชั้น
Oh my gosh, I really adored that spinning arrow.
Going down ลิฟต์กำลังลงค่ะ 4th floor ชั้น 4 ค่ะ ลิฟต์กำลังลงค่ะ Sorry to keep you waiting ขอโทษค่ะ ที่ทำให้ต้องรอ
Even a service lift could have this voice.
Basement 1 floor ชั้นใต้ดิน 1 ค่ะ Running down ลิฟต์กำลังลงค่ะ Basement 2 floor ชั้นใต้ดิน 2 ค่ะ Going up ลิฟต์กำลังขึ้นค่ะ
I don't know what floor to go on. 2. That indicator is lovely.
G floor ชั้น G ค่ะ Going up ลิฟต์กำลังขึ้นค่ะ
Here's a cab view. It's dark on this side. On this side there's a light. Many wires coming and stuff. Wow, even the service lifts are made to be posh. But do you know what is way more posh? It's the whole mall. I should stop listening to crazy songs like this now. Let's end this tour off with some clips I took around the mall. Here is the 24-hour zone at the front of the mall. Where they put the events in, you know. Shop that there's like events. The escalators are squeaky, which is quite worrying, in fact. There's KFC, and I think it's the first branch with the new logo on it. They added the seating. Should have gone the other way. Squeaking escalator. There's Muji. It looks, oh my god, this is like a massive store. Wow. place is massive. Ooh, there's even a living room set. Oh, this is cool. Get into the noodles. Wow. It's amazing. It's overwhelming. Now the bottom one. It's good. This is. They even have an entrance on it. And a freaking entrance. They sold everything. It's like a Japanese IKEA. Wow. This place is like so big. They have like a whole wall of snacks. And a cafe? They have a cafe. Oh my god. Stationery. Oh, I love these. Oh my god, they're so colorful and neat. Wow, so neat. I'm amazed by Japanese things. And on the other side, wow, that is neat. Just look at that. The shop is massive. Even they extended out here. Unbelievable. Right, so here's the Midtown office tower. Yeah, Mitsubishi is doing something with the DOS there. So the top rectangle on the turnstile is the face scan thing. No, actually that's the indicator, and the bottom one is the face scan thing. Yeah. I can film outside, but not inside. They use face scan technology. Mitsu doing something with it. Okay. So there's the high zone and there's the low zone. I can film outside. The display is having a problem. And they have these new booths for like visitors. I don't know. There's the mid-24 lift. There's the office. And I'm on this escalator. I think this is a Shanghai Mitsubishi. Maybe it's not, but I don't know. There's a mid-24 lift. I can film outside, but not inside. I beat the system. Still not filming inside. I think you can see the DOS keypad from here. No, you can't see it. Plaza lift. This one does not have, the turning arrow or the spinning arrow. Yeah, the spinning arrow. On the way down though. It is painful to say that this tour is coming to an end, but there will be more like the IKEA Bangyai lift tour, or IKEA if you prefer, which will be premiered very soon on my channel. Thank you to you all for watching this tour and my very childish voice, and I will see you in the next one, possibly with a new microphone too.